In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to trade on the Binance mobile app you set as a beginner. If you're new to crypto trading and feel overwhelmed by all the buttons and charts, don't worry. I'll break this down in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you understand exactly what you're doing before placing your first trade. This tutorial is designed to help you understand the flow of trading on Binance, not to tell you what to buy or sell. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your account is verified. Once you're inside the app, tap on Assets at the bottom of the screen. This is where Binance shows your balances. Before you can trade, you need to make sure you have funds loaded into your wallet, such as USDT or another supported currency. If your wallet is empty, you won't be able to place trades via these. After confirming you have funds available, tap on Trade. This takes you to the trading interface where all buying and selling happens. Now, choose the trading pair you want to trade. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin using USDT, you would select the BTC/USDT pair. The trading pair simply represents what you're buying and what you're paying with. Once you've selected a pair, you'll see order options. Binance allows you to choose between different order types, but as a beginner, the two most important ones are market orders and limit orders. A market order buys or sells instantly at the current market price. This is the simplest option if you want your trade to go through immediately. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to buy or sell at. The trade will only execute if the market reaches that price. This is useful if you don't want to rush into a trade and prefer more control. After choosing your order type, enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Review everything carefully: the price, the amount, and the order type. When you're ready, tap buy or sell depending on your trade. Binance will process the order, and once it's completed, the asset will appear in your wallet. Later, when the price goes up and you want to take profit, you can return to the trade section and sell the asset using the same process. Before we wrap up, it's very important to remember this. Trading is subject to market risks. Prices can go up or down, and nothing is guaranteed. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and trade responsibly, and that's it. You now know how to place your first trade on the Binance mobile app. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.